outside. Now the inside grade still keep the pace. There, now bending on the inside. Good. Now keep him straight. And when you come out of your circle, go down the wall. Hold down your outside grade right now. Establish that and keep a slow pace. Now keep him straight. Keep him collected. Keep the roundness in his neck. Keep him straight. Now bend him on the inside. Still keep the slow pace. Not so much bend, just a slight bend right now. There. Slight bend. There you go. Make another circle. And when you come out of your circle, go down to your diagonal, but keep the right bend all the way to the other wall. Keep the right bend. Keep the bend, keep the bend. Keep it, keep it, keep it. And now change. Outside rein, keep him straight down the line. Slow pace. There you go. Now bend him on the outside when you hit the corner. Now it's hard, he needs to do it. Now bend him on the inside. There. Now bend on the outside. Give with the inside rein. Even though it's your balance rein, the elbow goes forward so he can bend. Now show him your rein, you got a little long. Now bend on the inside. There you go. There you go. Now keep him straight.